Okay, Jethro, come on. Taste this.
It's not my cup of tea.
It's not your cup of tea. You don't like it. Hola, Emziesss! Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, Emziesss, we will be trying to do a mukbang. Mukbang is very popular in Korea, which is like an eating show where they will eat in front of the camera. Makes you hungry. But today we will be tasting some Filipino delicacy. So this is a Bibingka Emziesss. So this is like a baked rice cake. So this is very popular in the Philippines and apparently also in Indonesia. And it is traditionally cooked in clay pots lined with leaves. So leaves is, this is the banana leaves, Emziesss, and it smells so good, Emziesss. I miss Philippines. So that's what we have here. What we have here, Emziesss, is Puto Bumbong. Emziesss is a Filipino purple rice cake steamed in bamboo tubes. It's traditionally sold during the Christmas season. It is type of puto. Okay, so it's like a purple rice cake steamed in bamboo tubes. So Emziesss, if you can see, that's like a tube. And then it's topped up with cheese and sugar. To be honest with you, Emziesss, this is the first time I've tasted a Puto Bumbong. Because I think they're from the north or up in Manila. But where I came from, we never had this, Emziesss. But I've been hearing about this, that this is really nice and tasty. Jethro will be joining us because I want him to try this if he will like it. And also the bibingka. So this is a British dessert. The apple pie. Jethro and Martin loves to eat this. First, during mukbang that I watch, they always have Coke with them. And they always pour it in a big glass, and then you will hear the sound. So that's what I'm gonna do. Can you hear the sound?
Yes.
Each other's answering. Okay, Emziesss. So let's try this. So Jethro, are you ready to try this?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the first thing that you want to try? No, you can't try that. You've already eaten that. You love that. No, not that. You have to try the Filipino ones. So I'll just give you a little bit, okay? Just trying it, Emziesss. What do you think? Is it your cup of tea or not?
My cup of tea.
You like it? Oh, yeah. How about the Puto Bumbong? Wow. Okay, Jethro, come on. Taste this.
It's not my cup of tea.
It's not your cup of tea. You don't like it? Very good. Now, I want to try Puto Bumbong, Emziesss. Look, let's put... There. Very sticky. Nice. What do you think? Would you like some more of this? Yeah. What do you like the most? Bibingka or apple pie?
Apple pie.
He likes bibingka, but he likes the British dessert apple pie more.
Am I allowed to eat this?
Yeah, of course you are. Apple pie is really very good.
What? That's not fair.
You can have apple pie.
On it. You like sugar, do you?
If they don't like the look of it.
What is that?
That. I want to try that little.
Of course. Do you like it? We don't let Jethro drink Coke
a lot.
a lot.
Until
MZs.
I'm a grown up.
Yes, he only drink Coke like really very
Only a
rarely.
bit.
Yes.
But
Actually-
when I'm a grown up, I can drink more bit. I don't know why.
Yeah, because it's not good for you. And just said you got a very English taste, Jethro.
And me,
Yeah, you are.
also from England. And you have Filipino taste.
Jethro loves apple pie and he loves mince pie, MZs. We're ready for. By the way, MZs, this is all baked or made by Ate Juna. She makes amazing cake, MZs, of whatever design you want it to be. She can do it. And so if you're around here in Bristol, please check out Facebook page Baked by Juna. I put it here. Baked by Juna. It's here. So if you're around Bristol area here in the UK, you can check her Facebook page. She make amazing cake, MZs. It's so yummy. Hey Jethro, remember your ubi cake on your birthday? On your birthday, the ubi cake, the purple cake.
Oh.
That was so good, wasn't it?
Best cake in the world.
Yeah, my Martin, my husband said it was.
Really loved it.
Yeah, Jethro's
A lot.
friend went all over our neighborhood, MZs, because it was on my birthday last summer, and Jethro's birthday last February. We ordered a cake from Ate Juna, and we gave it out because it was super big. And my husband Martin, he don't normally like cakes, and especially Filipino cakes, but that cake, he said that was the best in the world that he have tasted, and even our neighbors loves it.
I said, what does that do anyway? We have a great, please.
We're starting.
Thank
All
you.
of it. Have all of it. Yeah, put it on the side, my love.
Wait, yeah.
I like Puto Bumbong, the taste of it. But it's just very sticky, MZs. But it's super yummy. Nakto na yung rubbish, my love. Do you want to try?
Yes.
It's like a taste.
It's not my
like
cup of tea.
taste
Not your
in
cup
it.
of tea.
It's
But I like it, MZs. Most Filipino loves it.
some, only some,
Most.
but not a lot. Not all of them.
Probably not all of them.
Some just like at the height of continent or country foods. Well, except for Philippines foods.
No. Because they're in the Philippines. They love Filipino food. Because they're Filipino. I'm Filipino. Very nice, MZs.
So your mom is a Filipino.
Of course. Your grandma.
An old one.
You just call your grandma old.
She is actually old.
That's the thing with
I'm not gonna laugh at that.
grandma's gonna watch this video. And you're calling your grandma old. MZ's kids here are very blunt. MZ's, I actually ate the whole
You can eat them.
rice That to Bibingka. Because that's what eating show is. You eat everything on your table. I enjoy the Emziesss. I might try to heat this up. It's probably better heat up. Because it's quite sticky. This is what it looks like. Nice with the cheese. And I'm full na, Emziesss. The things about Ate Juna's baking or cooking, it's not very sweet. This is not very sweet. Like some usual Filipino dessert, it's not very sweet. Which I love because I don't like too sweet. And
like I don't like too chocolate.
What too chocolatey?
Too chocolatey.
So Emziesss, I'm gonna try to save Puto Bumbong and heat it up later tomorrow and eat this. So I'm very full up, but it's so yummy, Emziesss. So this is a mince pie, Emziesss. So mince pie is like rich in fruity mince meat. So it's like a fruit.
And there's 6 mince pies.
So this is mince pie. That's Jethro's favorite and Martin's favorite. So inside of it is like a mince, like
fruity mince.
Fruity mince.
Not a food mince. What is the food mince pie?
Well, not the meat mince pie. It's a fruity mince pie.
Yeah.
Which got like, you know, the dried fruits. It's in there inside. Yeah, you can have that sweet one.
All of it?
Yeah, all of it. Do you want some more? Do you want some mince pie or no? You had enough.
You
You want some mince pie? Jethro ate a lot today. Okay, have a bite and I'll show them. Okay, show them how to eat that. Mom, yum. There, Emziesss. Oh. So that's the mince pie that Jethro loves. There, anak. Are you gonna eat the whole lot? Are you not full yet? My goodness, anak. You've eaten a lot today. That's not like you. Sometimes he eats like a bird. Sometimes he eats like this.
Look, like Pac-Man!
Okay, there you go, baby. Okay, Emziesss, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed watching me eating this Filipino delicacy and Jethro's favorite.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you, Baba. So please, Emziesss, like Jethro said, don't forget to like, comment down below, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you will be updated for my upcoming videos. Thank you very much, Emziesss, and have a lovely day. Advance Merry Christmas, Emziesss. God bless to you and to your family. Love you, Emziesss. Hey, are you gonna say bye to Emziesss?
Bye.
Say bye, Emziesss.
Bye, Emziesss.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
God bless.
And a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. God bless, MCs. Love you.